Please like and subscribe to our channel and share it, please. Yes, I'm talking to you, Thomas. Ha ha ha! Thank you, Tommy. You're the best. We buy houses in Augusta. Click Cash Home Buyers. Introduction. Selling your house to companies that buy houses for cash in Augusta, Georgia offers a straightforward and hassle-free alternative to traditional real estate transactions. These companies specialize in purchasing homes quickly, making the process convenient for homeowners. The primary benefits include 1. Speed. Traditional home sales can take months, but cash buying companies often close deals within weeks. 2. No repairs needed. These companies purchase homes as is, saving you from costly repairs or renovations. 3. Certainty. Avoid the uncertainty of buyer financing falling through or prolonged negotiations. If you're looking to sell your house fast without the usual stress and delays, considering options like Click Cash Home Buyers might be the right choice. They offer a streamlined process tailored to meet your needs. 1. The benefits of selling your house to companies that buy houses in Augusta. Selling your house through traditional methods can be time-consuming and costly. However, companies that buy houses for cash in Augusta offer several compelling benefits. No need for repairs or renovations. When you sell your house to these companies, there's no need to invest in repairs or renovations. They purchase properties as is, saving you from the financial strain of fixing issues like 1. Structural damage. 2. Outdated fixtures. 3. Cosmetic updates. This approach eliminates the hassle and expense of preparing your home for sale. Quick and guaranteed sale. Traditional real estate transactions come with uncertainties and delays. Companies that buy houses provide a swift and guaranteed sale process. 1. Fast offers. Receive a cash offer within days. 2. Quick closures. Finalize the sale often within a week. This is ideal if you're in a hurry to move or need immediate funds. Sell houses in any condition or location. These companies are willing to purchase homes regardless of their condition or location. Whether your property has suffered from fire damage, water damage, or is situated in an undesirable area, they'll make an offer. This flexibility means 1. Properties with extensive damage are still marketable. 2. Homes in less desirable neighborhoods can be sold without difficulty. The convenience and speed these companies offer make them an attractive option for homeowners looking to sell their houses without the usual stress and delay associated with traditional sales methods. 2. The process explained. How to sell your house to companies that buy houses in Augusta. Understanding the Augusta GA process for selling your house to companies that buy houses is crucial for a seamless experience. Here's a step-by-step breakdown. Sharing property information and contacting the company. The first step involves providing basic details about your property. You can do this through an online form on their website or by giving them a call. Essential information includes 1. Property address. 2. Condition of the house. 3. Any repairs needed. Scheduling a walkthrough or virtual tour of the property. Once you make initial contact, the company will arrange a walkthrough. This can be either an in-person visit or a virtual tour, depending on your preference. During this stage, they assess the property's condition and gather more detailed information. Receiving and evaluating a fair cash offer from the company. After evaluating your property, the company will present you with a cash offer for your house. This offer is usually based on market analysis and repair estimates. Key factors considered include 1. Current market conditions. 2. Comparable property sales in the area. 3. Cost of necessary repairs. Finalizing the sale and closing the deal quickly. If you accept the cash offer, the company will handle all paperwork and logistics to finalize the sale. Advantages include 1. No closing costs. 2. No commissions. 3. Fast closing time, often within 7 days. This streamlined process ensures you sell your house quickly without any hassle. 3. Understanding the criteria. What companies that buy houses in Augusta look for. When you decide to sell your house to a company that buys houses in any condition, understanding their criteria can help set clear expectations. These companies use specific guidelines to assess and value properties, ensuring they provide fair cash offers. Criteria used for assessment: 1. Property condition. Companies typically buy houses in any condition, whether pristine or requiring significant repairs. 2. Location. Houses in various locations, including less desirable areas, are considered. 3. Market value. Evaluation based on current real estate market trends in Augusta. Determining cash offers. 1. Market analysis. A thorough analysis of comparable property sales in the area helps establish a baseline value. 2. Repair estimates. An assessment of necessary repairs is factored into the offer. 2. This includes costs for fixing structural issues, cosmetic upgrades, or dealing with fire and water damage. Example process. 1. A house located in a high-demand neighborhood needing minimal repairs might receive a higher offer. 2. Conversely, a property requiring extensive work but situated in an emerging area may still attract competitive offers due to its potential future value. Understanding these criteria ensures clarity about how companies calculate their offers and reinforces the benefits of a quick closing process with minimal hassle. 4. Reliable homebuyers in Augusta. Top-rated Click Cash homebuyers. When it comes to selling your home quickly and easily in Augusta, GA, there are two standout options: ClickCashHomebuyers.com and ClickCashHomebuyers.com. These reputable companies specialize in buying properties for cash, no matter their condition or location. Whether your house has fire damage, water damage, or is just outdated, they have a solution for you. ClickCash Homebuyers. ClickCashHomebuyers.com is a trusted company in Augusta that stands out for its quick and efficient home buying services. Here's what they offer. 1. No repairs needed. You can sell your house as is without having to spend money on costly repairs. 2. Quick process. They aim to close deals within 7 days, allowing you to sell your house fast. 3. Transparent offers. Their cash offers are based on a thorough market analysis, ensuring fairness and transparency. If you're thinking, ClickCashHomebuyers.com would be a great option to explore if you're looking to sell your house in Augusta, Georgia, ClickCashHomebuyers.com is another reliable choice for selling your home in Augusta. Here's what sets them apart. 1. Acceptance of all conditions. They are willing to buy houses in any condition, even those that require major repairs. 2. Fast closings. Their goal is to complete transactions within a week, providing you with a quick sale. 3. Fair cash offers. They assess homes based on current market conditions and repair estimates to give competitive cash offers. Both websites share the same mission: to make selling a home in Augusta as easy and stress-free as possible. 5. Alternatives to consider. Exploring different options for selling your Augusta house. When deciding how to sell your house, you have a couple of choices. You can either go with the traditional route of listing it with a local agent, or take matters into your own hands and try the FSBO, for sale by owner method. Both options come with their own pros and cons. Traditional listing with a local agent. Hiring a real estate agent in Augusta, GA comes with several benefits. 1. Professional expertise. Agents know the market well and can guide you through the complicated process of selling a house. 2. Wide network. They have access to MLS listings and other professional networks, which means more potential buyers can see your property. 3. Negotiation. Skills. Agents are experienced in negotiating deals and can help you get the best price for your home. 4. Time saving. They take care of showings, paperwork, and other administrative tasks, saving you time and energy. FSBO, for sale by owner. If you'd rather have more control over the sale process, you might want to consider selling your house on your own. 1. Cost savings. By not using an agent, you can avoid paying their commissions. 2. Direct control. You get to make all the decisions, from pricing your home to negotiating with potential buyers. 3. Flexibility. With FSBO, you have the freedom to choose your own marketing strategies and schedule showings based on what works best for you. These alternatives offer different approaches to selling your Augusta house, allowing you to choose what suits your needs and priorities best. Utilizing online Click Cash Home Buyers. Home selling in Augusta. Social media platforms, particularly Facebook, play a significant role in reaching potential home buyers. Leveraging these online tools can help streamline the house selling process and connect you with interested parties quickly. The role of social media: 1. Broader reach. Facebook allows you to target a wide audience, including local buyers and investors. 2. Engagement. You can interact directly with potential buyers through comments, messages, and posts. 3. Advertising. Facebook's advertising tools help boost visibility for your listing, ensuring it reaches the right people. Overview of the We Buy Houses in Augusta, GA Facebook page. The Click Cash Home Buyers We Buy Houses in Augusta, GA Facebook page offers several services designed to facilitate the home selling process. 1. Messenger, direct messaging options for quick inquiries and responses. 2. Video, virtual tours and video walkthroughs of properties. 3. Marketplace, listings posted on the Facebook Marketplace to attract more potential buyers. These features make it easier to sell your house quickly and efficiently by tapping into an established network of local buyers. Conclusion: selling your house to companies that buy houses in Augusta, Georgia offers numerous benefits. These include a fast and convenient process, no need for repairs, and the ability to sell properties in any condition or location. Explore the opportunities provided by 1. If you're looking to sell your house in Augusta, Georgia, then ClickCashHomeBuyers.com is the perfect resource for you. Click Cash Home Buyers platforms offer fast and hassle-free home selling experiences.